Hi Virgo, welcome po sa inyong reading. This is for June 8 to June 10. Ayan, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Pwede din po kayong magtanong sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. And kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading po sa akin, nandun po yun sa kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No? Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. At kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live session, sa kabilang channel din po yun. Ayan. So Virgo, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Virgo for June 8 to June 10, nakikita ko dito parang hindi ko napapatulan itong mga taong ito. It may be just one person or it may be, a small group of people. Parang feeling mo kinakalaban ka or pinagtutulungan ka, Virgo, no? Kumbaga sa'yo tinitrigger ka. Ganito yung mga tinatawag natin mga narcissist, no? Ito yung mga taong gagawa ng eksena to trigger you tapos hahanapan kanila ng butas and then they will act as a victim tapos sa'yo ituturo yung sisi, no? Kumbaga, nabasa mo na, no? Yung ganon. You've been there, done that. At sabi mo dito, no? I would rather keep my silence kesa may patunayan wala naman akong, mas kilala ko ang sarili ko, mas kilala ko yung mga taong nagmamahal sa akin, no? I think for a few numbers of you, kumbaga, either may naninira sa inyo, no? Or may naninira sa'yo regarding para masira yung inyong connection or relationship. I feel like ito ay chismis about love, no? About romance. I feel like at first, masaya naman eh. Kaso parang feeling ko, merong isa or mangilan-ngilang tao na ikaw yung pinag-uusapan kasi ang masaya kang tao, no? You're easy to get along with. I'm also seeing you're somewhat satisfied with your life. No, wala ka nang hihingin kasi nandyan din yung relationship. You have a family of your own then, no? With the Three of Wands and the Queen of Wands. Naku, parang lagi mo itong kausap. One thing's for sure, may isang taong inggit at parang they're just being close to you to get an information, no? Kumbaga, wow, sobrang naman pagkamarites nito. Anong ginagawa niya sa buhay? Bakit parang feeling ko nakukuha niya lahat ng gusto niya? Gusto ko ring magkaroon ng katulad nung sa kanya, no? Meron din dito na parang kaya ako lumalapit kasi I want to see, no? Kung anong galawan ni Virgo and kumbaga inaantay ko siyang mag-fail, no? I don't like this energy with the Judgment, the Five of Swords, and the Four of Cups. I think that this is going to be a personal reading for a few numbers of you and I feel like hindi ito para sa lahat ng Virgo, no? Ngayon ko masasabi na itong reading na ito is for selected Virgo, no? Kasi parang feeling ko at one point in time, mas kinakampihan nyo to, mas pabor kayo dito, mas, kumbaga, kalaban nyo na yung lahat, no? Except for this person, willing ka, no? To defend this person, pero at the end of the day, it might be a wrong decision kasi you found out something na, oh my God, bakit bakit ganito? Bakit of all the people, no, na magbe-betray sa akin, ikaw pa, no? With the Page of Wands, you discovered something that turned things around easily, no? Kumbaga, meron din ditong siguro mga information kang nakikita, it could be writings on the wall, pero hindi mo, kumbaga, pipikit mata tayo before, no? To see is to believe. Ayan. No, the universe has its way for you to see what you need to see. Ang sakit lang kasi it felt like I turned my back for most people para lang sa'yo. And then, ito yung gagawin mo. Well, this is part of the learnings, probably. Pero what I'm seeing in here is don't be too harsh on yourself naman, no? Kasi nakikita ko dito parang medyo, nandun na tayo, nagkamali tayo, pero you don't have to rub it in your face. What you can do here is to probably check or think of a solution rather than magmukmok tayo, no? And masyado nating i-down ang sarili natin, no? Bumawi tayo sa mga taong sabihin nating nasungitan natin, no? Inapoy natin para sa taong ito or sa mga taong ito, no? So this is your reading for now, Virgo. Again, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below if you resonate, and hit a Z notification bell. At kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, sa kabilang channel din po yon. Kung gusto niyo pong ng dalawang reading po mula sa akin, nasa kabilang channel din po doon, no? Bye Land TV. Kung meron po kayong mga tanong, dito po sa comment section, as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Kung feeling nyo hindi kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, sa description box po ng video na ito, meron po dong link. All you just have to do is either to click the link or copy the link. You will be routed to my page, type in your questions, and then click submit. This is your reading. Kung gusto nyo rin pong mag-avail ng ating private reading na, check the description box, follow the instructions. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye, Virgo.